What's up, fellas? We're back here in the garage getting some work done on the street sleeper. We got to do some maintenance on it, found some stuff that's wrong with it, and a couple little other things. I'm going to show you what we've been up to, so let's take a look. So as you can see, we got the turbos and some of the piping out on this side. We're gonna take the valve covers off because we had a problem with the catch can and the fittings. This fitting right here, as you know, twists in, and there's like some little tabs, but I guess we over tightened it and broke them off. So we're gonna do some modifications to the valve covers to try and make it work so they don't move. Otherwise, we might just get some new valve covers. But we had to take off all the piping and turbos to get to the valve cover bolts and to get them off. And then while we were at it, we re-gapped the spark plugs a little smaller to 25 thousandths. They were at like 29, 30. We got them smaller to see if it would make a difference. As you know, we do drive this thing on the street at the track, and it's making 1,007 to the wheels. Parts here. Got parts here for the transmission rebuild. That's over there. Valve covers are out. You can see the turbo was hitting it a little bit, melting it. Coil packs are off. This is the turbos. It's a Helium twin turbo kit, and these turbos been going pretty long. I want to say since we've had them on the car with the stock motor since maybe 2014, 15. So almost 6-7 years been going strong with this turbo kit. Wastegate. If you haven't seen it before, this is a tuner we like to use. $1,007 horsepower, 850 torque. 20 pounds of boost, 21 pounds of boost. Well, we've been lucky, like I said. We gotta do some maintenance now. Last time we were out at the drag track, we had a couple problems. Mainly the transmission. And like I said, this valve cover, this just would pop right out with all the boost pressure. So we're gonna get that handled here. We're probably gonna do the same to this other side. But it is what it is. Stuff happens in the drag racing, and you actually drive your race cars. So this is what we've been up to. Glad you guys been tuning in, and keep hitting that like, share, and subscribe button, and we're gonna get back at it here. So till the next videos, guys, peace.